here are some basics that are essential to start building your wardrobe with. They don't have to look like this, right? But they're this category. A great coat. A silk blouse, plain, simple, ivory or black. Ivory will tend to go with a lot more than a white. A belt, a black belt, a decorative belt, a black trouser, the white button-down shirt. A million things I do with a white button-down shirt. A little black dress, right? How many of you have LBD? Little black dress, yes, yeah, essential. A great blazer, a lot we can do with a blazer. Belt it, pull the collar up. A great denim trouser or whatever the fit is for your body shape. A nude shoe. I am a proponent of the nude shoe. We'll see that later in the presentation. How's everybody feeling right now? Yeah? Feeling good, good.